Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Cassandra Good reporting to you live from my home office here in Albany, Georgia. And it's a wonderful, wonderful Thursday evening. But guess what? It's an evening that I was able to get what? My monthly coins. My monthly coins. So what I wanted to do, if most of you all know by now, I am in 7K metals. And what I wanted to do was wait until I got my monthly packet. And I initially got my initial when I actually came in. I paid for the annual subscription. That's a one-time payment, annual subscription, but I'm also on what we call an auto saver. And that auto saver allows me to be able to choose from one of three types of packages every single month on the types of coins that I would like to have. Now, I elected to choose the variety pack. Now, that variety pack gives you specialty coins, MS70 coins, and also an extra bullion coin that I'm very proud to actually share with you on this opening. So I just got this today. I went out and got this today. So I wanted to make sure that you guys knew that I'm opening it right in front of you again. There we go. I'm opening it in front of you all. And so I wanted you to see what you are privy to for your monthly. Because we're going to see, we're going to bring this on out. So of course you got an invoice here. That's the invoice there, guys. Then it's letting you know for January 2021. That's where we are, Vault Report. So this is giving me information. Oh my goodness, some beautiful stuff here, but I'll get into that later. But these are the coins that I have received. I'm opening them so you guys can actually see what I got here. Beautiful, beautiful here. So we're working on, as far as the coins, we're actually working on the state of New York. Can you see that, guys? The state of New York. Okay. Now this is the animal series. Okay. Let me look at that a little bit and I can tell you what animal it is. It is actually the beaver. Let me pull that so you can see that. I want you to know that each and every state, when you get a variety coin, it's going to have either the animal or it's going to have an insect. Okay. An animal or insect or that's it. Animal or insect. This is beautiful, guys. So I'm going to show that on the front side. And then let me turn this around so you can see this on the back side, how that looks. I'm trying to make sure that the glare, there's a little bit more clarity for you. Authentic. Oh, come back a little bit. Authentic, so you can see right here, the grade on here. See the grade on there? Okay, MS70. Okay. It's encased. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. And of course, you always get the authentication right there, giving you a lot more information about what is actually on that coin. Again, as you can see, the New York Beaver. Okay. Wow, this is amazing. So I want to share that with you, the opening of this. Again, this collectible, guys. This is collectible. This is your future of being able to have assets of gold and silver. And of course, this is silver. I'll show you gold later as I get more into that and some gold pieces that I've actually wanted to put again in it looks like I've been moving too slow to even get it because these go quick. These actually go quick. Okay. So guys, I wanted to share that with you. In my next video, what I'm going to be sharing with you with 7K Metals is how you actually can grow this business. If you want to go outside of just being a coin collector, okay, this is coin collection for the future. The future, guys, we have to think about the future and how important it is for us to stabilize ourselves. As you can see, we've experienced a pandemic and we got another wave of the coronavirus that's getting ready to hit, and it's already been noted here in the United States. We don't know how this one is going to actually pan out, but I will tell you this. Being prepared by having gold and silver is one of the best ways that you can actually tackle anything that comes through, because that will give you the foundation of finances that you need in any kind of climate. Okay. But what I want to tell you is next video, I'm going to share with you how, if you would like to not just be a coin collector, not just collecting your silver and creating wealth for the future, but if you would like to earn a nice, healthy income from 7K metals. So I'll be sharing with you how to actually position yourself in that will, well, that will able you to be able to do just that. So guys, thank you so much for looking at my video today. Definitely hit that like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed to my channel. Please leave me some comments. I'd love to hear from you. And I thank you so much for coming by. Y'all have a great evening, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.